Okay, let me show y'all where I put these little like hooks right here that I've got. These are track mounted hooks. And what I did, that I have like a Yak Attack gear track mounted right here, and see how nicely those little hooks just screw down in there. And I have my pliers right here you can hook on. Here's one right up here. These worked extremely well with a Yak Attack tracks. I don't see any issues with them working with gear tracks at all. The T thing's a little smaller, so you need to make sure that you're in the middle. Oh, by the way, I did have to put some space. I just used the Exo washers that came with it and space it because this bolt's really long. So I just put those little spacer washers in there, and it seems to work just fine. I don't see any problems with these things at all. I put one there, two right there because I have my pliers, my fish grippers, and then just a spare one right over here. Y'all see that? So these things work. They lock in there, they don't move. I actually put, yeah, another one back there. And now I have these like mounts right here. Once I get them tight, look at that. They do not come out, they don't move around. I can hook things too. I can tie off this boat. I can clip things into it, very handy. Through, if I'm running an anchor, I'll run them through this right here because it's so affordable. I can get a pack of these for very cheap. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the track mount, you know, metal loops. See you on the next video.